We're getting more snow, y'all. I think it's about 7:30, and we're getting more snow on top of the snow we already have. This is the backyard. I just let Carmelo out. And this is the temperature. If you can see the thermometer. And it's gonna drop even more. We're gonna be in the negatives this weekend through next week. Let me show you guys the front. Hold on. This is my front yard. And you can see the snow coming down. It is blanketed. I think I'm gonna go out, and if I reach 200 subscribers, I'm gonna go out here and make a snow angel, y'all. If I reach 200 subscribers. Look how much snow it is. Look at my front tree. You can see, this is my front porch. Winter is here. I can't wait to spring.